In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Yahoo Mail in Windows 10 quickly and easily. This is a simple trick that lets you create a desktop shortcut so you can open Yahoo Mail faster, almost like using an app without having to search for it in your browser every time. If you use Yahoo Mail regularly, this is a great way to save time and keep your workflow nice and simple. Before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your web browser. You can do this in Chrome, Edge, or any browser you already use on Windows 10. Once Yahoo Mail is open, take a moment to make sure the browser window is resized so your desktop is visible behind it. This is important because you'll need to drag something from the browser onto your desktop. Now look at the address bar at the top of the browser. On the left side of the web address, you should see a lock icon. This lock icon shows that the website is secure. Click and hold that lock icon carefully. Don't click the page itself or the email area, just the lock icon next to the URL. While holding it down, drag the lock icon out of the browser window and move it onto your desktop. When you release it, Windows will create a shortcut for Yahoo Mail right on your desktop. This shortcut works like a fast link, so the next time you want to open Yahoo Mail, you can just double-click the icon instead of opening the browser and typing the address again. If you want, you can also rename the shortcut to make it easier to recognize. Just right-click the new desktop icon, choose Rename, and type something simple like Yahoo Mail. Press Enter when you're done. That's really all there is to it. You've now installed Yahoo Mail in Windows 10 in the easiest way possible by creating a desktop shortcut. It's a quick setup, it's free, and it makes your email much easier to access every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.